Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to Easy Mathematics. Thank God today is Friday. Today, we were supposed to look at mean, but we want to look at the median today. Then, God willing, next week, we'll look at the final part, which is the mean. Today, we want to look at finding the median of a set of data. Finding the median, how to calculate for the median for a set of data. And when we say median, what is median? Median is the middle value. The middle value when the set of data is arranged in order of magnitude. So the key words we have to note here: middle value, order of magnitude. So median simply means the middle number that you will be able to get after arranging a set of numbers in order of magnitude. That is from the least to the highest in ascending order. So we have a question here. Find the median number of each of the following. We have to find the median number. Better still, the middle number here. This set of numbers. We have to find the middle number, which is the median. Now, to find the middle number from this set of data, we are to arrange this data in ascending order of magnitude. That is from the least to the highest. So arranging this value in order of magnitude, we are going to start with 2, followed by 3, then 4, then we have here 5. So first, arrange the set of data in ascending order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Out of these 7 numbers, fish out the number which is in the middle. So what am I going to do, or what can I do to get the median? So let's go this way. We want the middle number. So we can take off 5. Take this number off, take this one off, take this off, take this off. Now what do we have in the middle? The number that we have in the middle is 3. So because 3 is in the middle, we can say therefore the median is 3. And that is how we calculate the median of a data like this. Number 2, we are still finding the median, which says that to find the median, arrange the data in ascending order of magnitude from the least to the highest. So we are going to look at this set of data, fish out the highest and the least, so that you will be able to arrange. So we have here 3, we have 5, we have 8, we have 12, and finally 15. Now when you look at this, after arranging the numbers in order of magnitude, fish out the middle number. And that middle number becomes your median. Good. So we can say that this number will take off this number just to locate the middle number. So this will get this. And to get the middle, you have to get 2 halves. So the value here is the same as the value here. So the number in the middle becomes our median. So we can conclude and say, therefore, the median is 8 from the set of data. And that is how we find the median of a set of numbers. Let's look at the number 3. We are to find the median of this value. To find the median, we have been told that the median is the middle value when the data has been arranged in order of magnitude. So the first thing that we have to do is to arrange this in order of magnitude. That is in ascending order. So arranging this in ascending order, our 3 will come, followed by 5. We have 6, followed by 8. We have 12, and finally 15. That is arranging this in ascending order of magnitude. After arranging, try and get the number in the middle by getting 2 halves and locate what you are going to get in the middle. Now when you look at this one, we have first 2, last 2. So the first value, you can say that the first value will take off the last one. The second will take the last but 1. Now when you look at this set of data, we have 2 numbers in the middle. Now when you arrange the data in order of magnitude and you are able to get 2 numbers in the middle, what are we going to do to get the median? When you look at this data, 2 numbers are in the middle. But in the previous ones, 1 number, we were able to get only 1 number to be in the middle, and that number was our median. Now here we are having 2. So because we are having 2, don't say the median is 6 and 8. No, we are coming to do something to it. Now, if you arrange the numbers and you are able to get 2 numbers in the middle, what you are going to do is that pick those 2 numbers, which is 6 and 8. The 2 numbers are 6 and 8. Those two numbers, put those 2 numbers together. So we are going to find 6 plus 8. And 6 plus 8 is going to give you 14. After getting the 14, strike the 14 by half, or divide the 14 by 2. If you divide the 14 by 2, we are going to get 7 by saying that 2 here 1, 2 here 7. So the answer that we had here is going to be our middle number. So therefore, the median is 7. When you arrange the numbers and you get 2 numbers in the middle, because at the end you find out that there is no way you can pick one and leave the other. So because the 2 numbers are all in the middle, put the numbers together and divide it by 2. Why did we divide it by 2? We divided it by 2 because 6 and 8, they are 2. So because the numbers are 2, we are going to divide it by 2. And this is just like you finding the mean number. So therefore, the median is 7. So what I'm trying to say is that when you arrange the numbers and you are able to get only 1 number in the middle, that number becomes the median. But if the numbers are 2, put the 2 numbers together and strike it, divide it by 2. Let's look at the number 4. We have to find the median number. To find the median number, arrange the given set of data by 2. So if I'm arranging these numbers, arrange it in ascending order. So if I'm arranging this in ascending order, I'm going to get 30, followed by 42, followed by 62, followed by 70, followed by 71, followed by 84, and finally 96. So just arrange this value in ascending order. After arranging the values in ascending order, then try and see if you can get the middle number. So let's see if we can fish out the middle values. So 30 will knock out this one just to locate the middle value. So this will knock out this. This is also going to knock this one out. So we are going to get 70 in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So because with this example, we have only one number or one value in the middle after arranging, we can say therefore the median is 70. But if you arrange and you get two values, put those two values together and divide it by 2. Whatever that you get becomes your median. Now let's look at the second half, the last one. Finding the median of a frequency table. How can we find the median when we have a frequency table? Now with all these tables and the one we did last week, they are all grouped. After looking at the mean, God willing, next week we'll look at the ungrouped data, how to find the mean, the median, and the mode of ungrouped data. They are all the same, but what changes is the ungroup and the group. So these ones are group data. So how can we find the median when it comes to the frequency table? When it comes to the frequency table, finding the median is quite different from what we have been taught when it comes to the set of data. Now, to find the median on a frequency distribution table, we have to first find the sum of the frequencies. So when you look at this table, the frequency is this column, this side. This is our frequency. So first, you have to find the sum of the frequency. And the sum of the frequency is noted by this sign, which is known as Zigma F. So this Zigma stands for sum of, and the F stands for frequency. So this means sum of frequency. So we are going to put all the frequencies together. So if you are calculating for the median, first find Zigma F, which is the sum of the frequencies. So Zigma F, we are going to get 8 plus 6 plus 15 plus 17 plus 14 plus 12. All this is equal to. So this plus this will give you 14, plus this will give you 29, plus this will give you 46, plus this will give you 60, then plus this will give you 72. So Zigma F is equal to 72. Now when you look at the answer for the Zigma F, ask yourself, is it an even number or an odd number? If the Zigma F is an odd number, we have something we do about it. And if the Zigma F is an even number, we also do something about it. So because 72 is an even number, it is even number because it is divisible by 2. Because we have been taught that even numbers are numbers that are divisible by 2. So when you look at the Zigma F, this Zigma F is an even number. Because the Zigma F is an even number, we are going to divide the Zigma F by 2. So we are going to say Zigma F divided by 2. And this Zigma F is 72. So this is equal to 72 divided by 2. And 72 divided by 2 is going to give us 36. After finding the division of the sigma f, getting 36, we are coming to look for the 36th and the 37th observation. Because the sigma f is an even number, that is why we are doing all these things. So we first divided by 2 and we had 36. So we are going to find the next term. So 36 including 37. So come to the table. Keep on adding the frequencies till you get 36 and 37. So when you look at the table, if you add this to this, you are going to get 14. If you add this to this, you are going to get 29. If you add this value to this, you are going to get 46. And this 46, we can get 36 in 46, and at the same time, you get 37 in 46. That is added from the 8 to this place. So because we can locate the 6th and the 7th observation in this frequency, we are going to link the frequency to its corresponding value, which is 20. So we can say that, therefore, the median is 20 when it comes to this one. So when we are finding the median of a frequency table, you have to first find the sum of the frequencies. The sum of the frequencies here gave us 72. After getting the sigma f, check and ask, is it an even number or an odd number? Since the sigma f here is an even number, divide it by 2. And if you divide it by 2, you are going to get 36. When you get the answer, you are going to find this answer and the next one. So 36, the next one is going to be 37. So we are going to look for the 36th term and the 37th term. So you come to the frequency table, starting from the first value at the frequency, add till you get to 36 and 37. When you get to 36 and 37, you link it to its corresponding value. If assuming we get 36 here and we get a 37 here, then we are going to pick those two numbers. So we had a 36 here, we had a 37 here. You pick those two numbers, put them together and strike it by 2. But here we have both the 36 and the 37 here. At the 17, after adding this, when you got here, we have 46. So we can get 36 here, we can get 37 here. So our median becomes 20 from this frequency table. Let's look at the second one and see, after adding, are we going to get an odd number or an even number? So that we'll know what to do when it is an odd number or an even number. Now it says that find the median mass from the table. To find the median, you have been asked to calculate for the median. To calculate for the median, we have to first look for sigma f. And sigma f is the sum of the frequencies. So the sum of the frequency will give you the sigma f. So this is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. This plus this is 1. This will give us 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So this is going to give us 11. So sigma f is equal to 11. Now when you look at our sigma f here, you ask, is this sigma f even or odd? The sigma f is an odd number. Now here because the sigma F is odd, we are going to add 1 to the sigma F so that we will be able to get an even number. So because the sigma F here is 11 and this 11 is odd, we are going to add 1 to the sigma F, which is going to give us 12. Now this 12 becomes an even number and makes it possible for us to divide by 2. So now that we have an even number, we are going to divide the sigma F by 2. And now the sigma F, after adding the 1, we have 12 divided by 2. You can say that 2 will go into itself 1, 2 will go into this number 6. You are going to get 6th observation. Now, because we added 1 to the frequency, after getting 12, we will not look for the next item. Unlike where the frequency was even. So because we added 1 to the frequency, which was odd, and now we have an even number, we are not going to look for the next item because of the addition we did here. So therefore, we'll just go straight forward to the table and look for the 6th item, starting from the first number at the frequency. So the first number here is 1. Keep on adding the frequencies till you get 6. So I have 1 plus this is 0. It's 1. Sorry, 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 2 will give me 3. Plus 3 will give me 6. So this value 6 is what I can get here. So knowing that 6 will be, since we can get 6 here, we are going to locate or link the 6 to its corresponding value, which is 251. So we can say that, therefore, the median is 251. And this is how we do the calculation for median when it comes to the distribution table, especially when the sigma F is an odd number. When the sigma F is an odd number, you add 1 to the sigma F so that you'll be able to get an even number. After getting the even number, divide it by 2. And when you divide it by 2, you are going to get 6. And this will give us the 6th item. So this 6, come to the frequency table and locate the frequency. Starting from the first value, keep on adding the values till you get 6. When you get 6, you link it to its corresponding value, and that will be your median for the frequency table. Let's look at the last one. The table below shows the number of candidates who took a test and the scores they had. So find the median from the table. So these are the marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are the number of students. And in our previous video, we said the number of students shows the frequency or tells us the frequency. So the frequency here is the number of students. So the F is here. This is the F. And the F or frequency simply means the number of individuals. Good. So the number of students that had the mark 1 are 5. Those who had 2 are 3, in that order. So we have been asked to find the median. To find the median, we are going to first find sigma F. And sigma F is the sum of the frequency. That is the total number of what? Candidates or students who took the test. So we are going to add 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 10. If you put all this together, that is going to give us our Zigma F. So this plus this is going to give us 8, plus this is 10, plus this is 16, plus this is 20, and plus this one is going to give us 30. So our Zigma F, we are looking for the median. And to find the median, you need Zigma F. And the Zigma means sum of the frequency. So Zigma F is equal to 30. That is the sum of the frequency is 30. Go. Now this 30, ask yourself, is the 30 an even number or an odd number? The 30 is an even number. So because the 30 is an even number, we are going to divide the 30 by 2. So we are going to say the Zigma F divided by 2, or half of the Zigma F. And 30 divided by 2 is going to give us 15. This will be the answer. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Because the Zigma F is an even number, we are going to look for the fifth observation and the next item, the fifth item and the next item. And the next item is what? 16. Because after 15, we move to 16. Why did we move? Because of the Zigma F being an even number. But when you come to this one, the Zigma F was an odd number, so we added 1, giving us an even number. After striking, we did not look for the next item because of the 1 we added there. So we are going to look for the 5th and the 6th item. 5th item and the 16th, 15th and 16th. So because we divided the 30 by 2, we had 15. So you find the 15th item and the 16th item. So you move to the distribution table or the frequency table, then you keep adding from the first frequency number, which is 5 from the table. So adding this to this will give us 8. This will give us 10. And this will give us 16. So when you look at this table, the 15th and the 16th, we can get all here. So because we can get all in this frequency, we are going to link it to its corresponding value. Then we say, therefore, the median is 4. You are not going to write 6 because the 6 is the frequency. So we'll link it to its value and say the median is 4. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you. Next week, when we meet, we will look at how to calculate or find the mean of a set of data. Thank you for staying tuned. God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.